everyone, it's Haley here, and today's video is going to be just a back to school makeup to show you guys how I used to do my makeup for back to school. I'm currently not in high school, I'm currently in college, right? But I just wanted to show you guys some techniques that I used to do and show you guys how I used to do my face. It was nothing natural because I was never a morning person, so I used to just get up, just do quick makeup and then just head out the door. But if you guys want to do if you guys want to take enough time to get up and get ready, you guys can totally do that. I can show you guys in the next video if you guys want me to. But I'm gonna show you guys how I just did my makeup, me personally. I put my eye because I just did not want to do it on camera because I feel like I need to concentrate more, and I do have really thick eyebrows because I'm Native American. So everyone's like, why do you have thick eyebrows? Because I'm Native, me personally. But I try to arch them as much as I can. I put a lot of concealer on there to make it more fuller and make them more precise. And yeah, so let's get started on it. So I did my eyebrows, as you guys can tell. So next, I usually do what I usually did in high school. I did my first. I know it's kind of weird. I usually now, ever since I've done makeup since I was 9, so we did have everything that we had now. But I did do foundation, contour, eyeshadow, powder and all that stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys just a little glam look, or not a little glam look, but a natural kind of glowy look. So yeah, but if you guys want to prime your face, so I'm gonna be using the Vitamin Couture Get Prime Plur Face Primer, and this is my favorite face primer, and I've been using it. You can get it at your drugstore, like Sally Beauty Supplies and everything like that. You can totally get it there. And then I mix it with a little bit of this oil kind of primer as well. So I just take it comes with this little thing. It's so cool. So then I just drip a little bit of it in here to make it more of a glowy look. So I just mix them all together, and then I just prime my face, because you want your makeup to stay on longer, basically. So I just prime my face usually. Okay, so then I'm going to take in the Collab Meet Your Matte foundation. This is a little bit darker for me, so I'm going to be using a little bit of a lighter foundation. So I'm going to mix this one as well, and I'm going to be taking everyone used to be obsessed with this one, is the Rimmel Clean Finish foundation, and I'm going to be taking this one as well, and I'm going to just blend it all together with my beauty blender. I'm going to be taking this beauty blender, and I'm going to just mix it together on my hand. And I'm gonna just pat my skin, because you don't want to pat like this, how I'm doing it. Your makeup is gonna look more better. I feel usually I don't like using a brush because I feel like those brushes just make it more kind of I just like the blender better because you can actually see how your foundation applies better. Me personally, I don't like the brushes. I mean, if you guys like the brushes, that's totally fine. But me personally, I hate brushes to the max. So this is what I'm gonna be doing. Sorry, my room is kind of a mess, you guys. He's over here. You guys don't I know. I'm gonna start. I've been cleaning my room. My room has just been a mess the past couple days, but I'm getting more onto cleaning it. Don't mind that, please. But you guys blend it down your neck because that's the most important thing, because you guys don't want to have your face looking like this and then your whole skin looking like this. So you want to always blend it down your neck for sure, ladies, because I did that when I was really young, and I kind of looked like a clown at a certain extent, but I really didn't. It was just people could tell I was wearing makeup. But now, since I've been practicing a lot more, I mean, I'm not a professional, but I do makeup for people on the side as well. And I'm really blessed because I do go to school. If you guys didn't know, in my last video, I told you guys in my last video that I did go to a Veda Institute. So it's for hair, makeup, nails, all that, etc. But I just wanted to make you guys a video to show you guys what I love to do, and I love doing makeup. I feel like this is, I mean, I've never really been into art, but I always used to fail art. Don't judge, but I never used to be a really good drawer. So ever since like I've done makeup, it's more of a different kind of art than it is at school, basically, if that makes sense. But it's kind of like, even for hair, if you do like hair color, it's kind of like you have that brush and you're like, it's kind of like you're painting, but you're not actually painting, basically, if that makes sense. You're just painting on the hair. Like if you do a balayage, you have like, you just paint like to a V or a W, because that helps give like the actual dimension of the hair, and that will actually help you more. Basically, it's kind of different. I know it's based like, it's different type of art, but I feel like I'm more into this kind of art than like a regular art, if that makes sense. So I did my foundation. So guys, don't worry about this. I make a shirt, but it will cover that if when I like. So basically, you just want to see it's from your neck and up, basically, that you would see that you have makeup on. Basically, you don't have to worry about like your chest or nothing like that. But what I would say is that to do your just like, you can always wear like a long sleeve shirt, or like, you know, like a shirt that can cover like kind of like up to your neck. So I mean, I wear shirts go back to school. But the next thing I'm going to be taking is some powder. So for the powder, I don't really use pressed powder. I don't know, I'm kind of weird. But I basically use the air spun powder. So basically I just pat it, and I just pat it all over my skin. So I don't put this all over my face. It's not like I'm baking, but I just put it all. So then, like, this would be kind of the glow. So I put concealer, but I'm probably not gonna put that on today because I didn't really do that when I was in school. I just did like foundation, but under my eyes when I do like the like when I do the eyeshadow, because we're gonna have some fallout. Want that at all, because fallout will look really bad in pictures. Bronzer, I'm gonna be not doing a light bronzer, but I'm going to be taking just like more, or not a darker, sorry, can't even speak today. I'm gonna take this one. This one has more of like a glow to it, and I feel like it's more prettier, if that makes sense. So like this, and I feel like it's more pretty, and it's more pretty on, basically. And now all I'm gonna be taking is the Real Techniques brush, and I'm gonna just pat, because you don't want too much. You don't want your bronzer looking too dark compared to the rest of your. So you're gonna just put it like kind of like up by your cheekbone, and then go over onto your by close to your hairline, kind of. Like, a lot of people do makeup differently, and that's kind of what makes them an artist, because some people do makeup the same, but me personally, makeup differently. And I feel like I do different steps. I don't do the same exact steps that other people do. I do different steps, and maybe it makes them more artsier, and I just feel like it makes them more better, basically. Instead of doing it all the exact same time, basically, if that makes sense. Like, back to school, I didn't really wear like extremely dark bronzer. I mostly wear like light, because it gives it more of like a glowiness, and this has like kind of like glitter as well, kind of into it. So this is kind of like my bronzer. I need to put a little bit more. So basically, this looks so pretty, and I really love it. This is how I used to wear my makeup every day at school. and I love it so much. For my highlight, I'm going to be using is the Wet n Wild's highlighting powder. This, I love the heck out of this powder. This highlighter, this is just like my favorite. And I'm going to pat it with some all-nighter setting spray to give it more of like a brightness to it. So I'm just going to be taking this brush. It's the Morphe M310 brush. I'm going to just pat it like this. And I'm going to just go over my face. And then I'm going to be taking the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. It's kind of dirty. I apologize. So I'm going to be doing probably this shade right here. I'm going to be taking just this brush right here for the transition shade. Basically, that kind of helps put, like, if you, a transition shade, if you guys don't know, if you guys are beginners on makeup, transition shade is basically, it helps outline where you're going to put the next color in the crease and stuff like that. So basically what I do is that I like to go over this. No, that's okay. Let me just put a little bit more. So basically it will help kind of arch more of it so you can do like the crease and stuff a lot better. I just feel like it's more, it helps a lot more too. The brush, and this is the M200 brush. So then I'm going to be taking this shade, which the shade right here for the crease. So then I'm going to make the little crease a little bit tiny darker. So then I'm going to be taking this little thing right here just to give it more of a darker. Personally, since I'm in college, I don't really do my makeup like that much anymore because I'm just like, I'm not a morning person. I'm mostly like an extreme night person. So whenever I do my makeup, I really don't care to get up in the morning. Like, it takes me 2.5 hours to get ready to be my whole face because it takes practice, and whatever you have practice, but you'll get faster and faster at it once you actually can get the techniques and stuff down. So don't worry to rush it so fast, but when I first started out, it took me 2.5 hours to get ready. I wake up at like 5 in the morning just to do my whole face. Like, I don't really want that, you know. I was like, I don't got time or anything. So I was like, you know, whatever. So there's a little bit of fallout, but it's okay. And then what I usually like to do is like, I like to like go like this. Concealer. I take this little pomade concealer. So then I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just pat it in my skin. My eyes, it's just more of like a natural. It's not nothing too dark or anything. So I'm gonna take my powder again. I'm going to be taking the M3330 brush, and I'm going to probably make my eyes a little bit darker. So I'm taking this like little burgundy type of color and just putting it down on my lower eyelid. I don't really wear eyeliner, me personally, but I do wear it for some looks, and I do put it on people for some looks. So then the next thing I'm doing is I'm going to take the Super Juicy lip gloss. It's clear lip gloss, and mascara. I didn't wear eyelashes when I was in high school. Probably in my junior and senior year I started wearing lashes, but since this is kind of like more of a natural look, I'll probably put eyelashes on if I go away. But I'm going to just put some mascara on. Just because I didn't really want to get ready in the morning because I didn't really have enough time. I wanted to sleep in a little bit more. Eyelashes are already like big as it, like it's kind of more, it's big. I have really long eyelashes, so I don't really need like eyelashes like that. A little bit on my lower lashes. So then the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, especially this look for like back to school. Me personally, I would do this type of look for back to school. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. I love you guys so much, and yeah, hope you guys have a wonderful back to school. You guys